1. How does the poet contrast the tiger in the wild with the tiger in the zoo? Answer. The poet shows that in the wild, the tiger is free, powerful, and active, hunting, roaming, and frightening people. But in the zoo, he is helpless, silent, and forced to stay inside a small cage, losing his natural strength and freedom. 2. Why does the tiger ignore the visitors? Answer. The tiger ignores the visitors because he feels tired and frustrated after being caged for long. He has lost interest in humans and knows he cannot escape, so he simply walks silently inside the cage without reacting. 3. What does the image of brilliant stars show about the tiger's condition? Answer. The brilliant stars symbolize freedom and the natural world. When the tiger looks at them, it shows his longing to return to the wild. It also highlights his loneliness and hopelessness in the cage. 4. Describe the tiger's life in the wild as imagined by the poet. Answer. In the wild, the tiger would roam near the jungle, hunt deer, growl at villagers, and move fearlessly with his strong body. He would live according to his natural instincts, free and powerful. 5. What message does the poet want to convey through this poem? Answer. The poet wants to show the cruelty of keeping wild animals in captivity. He highlights that animals should live freely in their natural environment, not be trapped in zoos for human entertainment. 6. How does the poet create sympathy for the tiger? Answer. The poet describes the tiger's slow, silent walk, his anger, his helplessness, and his longing for freedom. These images make readers feel sad for the tiger and understand his suffering. 7. What is the significance of the tiger's quiet rage? Answer. Quiet rage means suppressed anger. The tiger wants to express his natural power, but the cage forces him to stay silent. This shows how captivity destroys an animal's spirit. 8. How does the poem show the difference between natural life and artificial life? Answer. The tiger's wild life represents natural freedom and strength, while his zoo life represents artificial confinement. The poet shows that animals become depressed, angry, and purposeless when kept in artificial environments. 9. How does the tiger behave inside his cage? Answer. Inside the cage, the tiger moves slowly and silently with quiet rage. He feels angry, helpless, and frustrated because his natural freedom is taken away. 10. How does the poet use imagery to show the tiger's suffering? Answer. The poet uses images like locked in a concrete cell, stalking, and ignoring the visitors to show the tiger's loneliness and silent pain. 4. Why does the tiger ignore the visitors? Answer. The tiger ignores the visitors because he has lost hope and interest. He knows he cannot escape, so he no longer responds to humans. 12. How does the poet describe the tiger's life in the wild? Answer. In the wild, the tiger would roam freely, hunt deer, growl near the village, and fearlessly display his power and strength. 13. How is the tiger's natural life different from his life in the zoo? Answer. In the wild, the tiger is strong, active, and free. In the zoo, he is silent, helpless, and imprisoned, losing his natural instincts.